Hey folks, Adam here, and I just wanted to give a shout out to my good friends, the Rise Up Society. So just so you know, there are literally hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of uncensored, full-color digging videos available on the Rise Up Society fan page member section. For under $10 a month, you can watch literally hundreds and hundreds of archived and new videos coming out several times a week from the Rise Up Society. And of course, your memberships are helping the people in need, the people in Kenya, the people who need medical treatment. The process is called debridement, and that's actually when they're taking off the dead skin and treating these people for a parasite that's basically sand fleas that lay eggs in their feet. So folks, if you want to help some people in Kenya, go ahead and become a member. There's a link in our description. All you have to do is go to the Rise Up Society fan page and click that join button and go ahead and start helping the people in Kenya. Again, it's a sand flea, and if it isn't cut out, then it'll go ahead and they'll have to amputate things like toes. So cutting it out is the healthiest option, and you can help people. All you have to do is join the Rise Up Society fan page as a member, and you can see hundreds of videos in full color, HD footage. What are you waiting for? Alright folks, I'm gonna let you watch the rest of this video. It's absolutely, well, it's fantastic. It's interesting. So go ahead, click the link in the description below.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
And now, a word about Restmore, my favorite sleep supplement.
I've been taking Restmore for about 6 months now, and I've noticed a huge change. Usually when I try to go to sleep, I wake up at least 3 times during the night, just cannot get back to bed. And you know, being a personal trainer, I mean, your sleep is so necessary. I'm here all day, and with Restmore, I can finally sleep through the night. I finally feel energized after waking up instead of groggy like a lot of other products make me feel, and I love it. I'm going to keep using it.
Restmore helps you obtain natural sleep without all the side effects of prescription or over-the-counter medication. It's all natural and safe to use every night. So what are you waiting for? Try Restmore today and start getting a full night's sleep.